welcome back to the channel. This is Meredith, and today I have the Allure beauty box to unbox with you. So this is going to be for November 2022, so if you're interested in seeing what I got, stay tuned. If you do like the box this month, I do have a personal referral link below. It'll get you $10 off your first box, and I think I do get a small commission for referring you, but feel free to look for coupons. I do think that there is going to be a good one for Black Friday, so I can go through all of the deals in below. If you have any questions, just feel free to shoot me a comment down there, because I love looking for deals. But anyway, if you do like the box this month, again, referral link below. And on top of that, I will be making my spoiler video for December hopefully soon. If you do like the style of videos that I do, either for spoilers, unboxings, or vlogs, consider subscribing, putting the bell icon on, etc. This is $23 per month. It's a mix of both full size and sample size items. I personally did get a really good deal when I renewed my subscription, but if you do a longer subscription, you do get a smaller per box price, but you do pay everything up front. So that's everything, so let me just jump in. This is the box booklet for this month. They usually have tips, tricks, and deals in here, so I'm going to tell you any of the coupon codes because, again, I love sharing the wealth. I'm going to go in with the first item here. So this is the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. So this is that one here. So it says this is a serum, and it has a silky blend of rose water, niacinamide, and actual gold that keeps skin hydrated and soothed and helps even out skin tones. The subtle rose gold tint is as brilliant as any brightening makeup, and we mean that figuratively and literally. It brightens complexions on the spot for a radiant, fresh-faced look. And it has a $135 value, and this is the full-size item. Sorry that the light glare was in there. But yeah, so this particular brand is in subscription boxes relatively frequently, and people are always like saying that it's an overpriced subscription box brand, but I do think that they sell it at Bloomies and I think at Nordstrom, but I might be wrong about that. So anyway, this is full size, and a lot of people say that the reason why they're so down on it is the subscription boxes are made in China. So let me investigate, because I'm not sure if this one is. Okay, 20 mLs, so it is full size. So 20 mLs is pretty small. Shake well before use. Mix 1 to 2 drops into the palm of your hand with your favorite moisturizer, or apply directly to the skin after cleansing. So it looks like either you can have it be real dewy and just like put it straight on your face, or else you could put it with your moisturizer and have a little bit more of a subtle radiance. Also, I'm using my DJI right now, and I can't tell if I like the angle or not. So let me know what you think, because I think it also like makes my face look really big. I mean, my face is big, but it's not this big. Anyway, so let me open. Oh, I got distracted. These are the ingredients here. And it looks like this one is made in the US, so it is not made in China. And it's good for 9 months after opening. So at the moment, I have a couple of other Radiance boosters and Radiance sort of serums on the deck right now. So I'm not going to be opening this one, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like here. So it's like a very pretty bottle, actually. It feels like it's glass. Yeah, it's glass, and it has a little dropper on top. I did like the particular other one we got, the Radiance booster. I think that's what it was called. No, this is the Radiance booster. It was a vitamin C booster. It came in like a black bottle. I did like that one actually quite a lot, but I don't have the type of cash to pay $100 plus for a small bottle. So I'm definitely very excited to use this in the future. And if it works well, that has already paid for like multiple boxes. So it's always nice to get something, especially if it's like $100-something product and it works out for you, because then you know at least like 4 of the boxes are paid for with one item. The next item is kind of a repeat. I don't know how to explain it, but in the past we did get a small little like sampler tube of this particular perfume. This is from Victor and Rolf. It's the Good Fortune mini replica, so that sounds cute, especially if it looks like what's in the booklet. It is a warm blend of jasmine, bourbon, vanilla in a cozy floral you want to smell all winter long. Instead of a spray, your bottle has a blotter applicator, which feels so romantic, very fitting for this warm floral scent. Dab it onto your pulse points, wrist, neck, and feel very old Hollywood as you do. So the full size is 3 ounces and $168, and this one here is 0.24 fluid ounces, so do the math on that. I can't do the math offhand. So let me see here. Okay, it is so cute. Look at this little one, so cute. So when I got the small little sample tube, you know, like the ones you get from like department stores, I was not a huge fan of the scent, so I'm gonna try to go in open-minded because this is so cute. But let me see. Okay, I'm like trying not to spill it either because it doesn't have a spray. Okay, so it is 100% just like an open lid here, so if you drop it, it's dropped. Yeah, it's not my scent. it is very warm, and I'm not a warm scent person. I'm more of like a fresh scent person. It's not the worst. Like, I don't like the ones that are like for night, you know? I'm more of like the daytime fresh, bright scents, like citrus, florals. So I mean, I'm personally not going to use this, but it is super cute, so I might just keep it with my other perfumes back there because it's so cute. But I might also just try to find a friend, or maybe my sister wants it. I'm going home soon, so maybe I'll pack it. The next item here is, it looks like a full-size item. So this is a brush set. So this is from Carlucce, C-A-R-L-U-C-C-E. It's the Fresh Bundle. It says, the Carlucce brushes deliver impressive softness that makes blending powders and creams a cinch. Multitasking tools are super travel friendly because of the short handles. Not to mention the slate gray color looks chic and looks great in any makeup bag. The larger Cash Cream brush is great for base, foundation, or contour, while the Hush Hush brush is awesome for smaller applications like shadow, concealer, or your new Larizzi highlighter, which is the next item I just looked on the page here. So let me pull it open. Okay, so this is what they look like. Honestly, the handles feel a little bit chintzy. It's just maybe my opinion. I was hoping that they're a little bit matte, but they're very shiny. The barrels, is that what they're called? They're kind of like that. They don't feel like, oh, I didn't tell you how much they are. They're $55 value, and it says Carlucce.com. Enter Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off your full price items through January 30th, 2023. So if I would have paid $55 for these and gotten these, I don't think I would have been happy. That's what they feel like to me. So if you understand what I mean, that's what I mean. But I mean, for the fact that they were in this box, and there's like, what, 6 to 8 items in the box for like $4 each, $5 each. It's pretty good deal. So the brush is actually they're quite soft actually. Both of them. This one has a little bit denser. This one's a little bit less dense. I don't know if that makes sense. So this is what they look like. So they kind of have like a triangular shape or like angled shape at the top, but this one's like flat at the top. I'm trying to get it into focus for you, but they're kind of scraggly. I don't know how to describe it. The bristles are not like 100% like, you know, straight up. But that's just my opinion. I haven't used them yet, obviously, but yeah, they're kind of small. I kind of like a longer handle because I feel like I have a little bit more control being able to deal where the fulcrum is for my hands. Also, I apologize. I'm using a monitor, so I keep looking. It's a whole new setup for me. So, I mean, I'm happy for them to be in this box. Would not pay full price for them. Sorry. Just my opinion. Okay, the next item, as I already hinted at, is the Larizzi highlighter. So this is a cream highlighter in the shade Virtue. So let me open it up so you can see it. It is cruelty-free and vegan. Oh, do you hear that? Something is loose in there. So this is, again, cruelty-free and vegan. Seems like this is a Canadian company, which might be why I've never heard of it. I'm trying to see where it was made. Made in China. So this is, again, I don't know what's loose in here. Sorry, I was trying to talk over my steam. But yeah, I don't know. Something in here is loose. I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, so anyway, let me open it up and let me tell you about it. So this is what it looks like here. There is something black on it. And also it looks like something happened to it. I don't know if you can see that because of the lighting. It looks a little bit disfigured in the middle. But this says it's the ideal rose gold highlighter. Slightly shimmery finish that reads as dewy, not disco ballish. Kind of like my nose right now. It's very disco ballish. The creamy formula blends like a dream. With your fingers or your new brush, blend the highlighter onto the tops of your cheekbones, over your lids, and along your cupid's bow for a hint of sheen. Makes for a very pretty, very angelic, monochromatic makeup look all its own. And this has a $20 value, and it is full size. I'm trying to get it into focus for you. The lighting in here is not great, but it's kind of like, I don't know. It's not really rose gold to me. It's looking a little bit more like rose bronze. I don't know. Also, my makeup looks real bad today, but anyway, Larizzi.com. Enter Allure 20 to receive 20% off your checkout. So that's this. I do think I'm going to try it, but I don't necessarily have the highest of hopes for it. So the next item is something I'm very, very familiar with. This is from L'Occitane. This is the L'Occitane Shea Butter Hand Cream, and this is a heavy-duty cream. It delivers hydrating refreshment while going on easy and grease-free. Shea Butter formula softens and soothes stressed hands, and the comforting smell is clean and crisp. Smooth it on once or twice a day for pampered hands that stand up to the elements. $30 for what 5.1 ounces. Sorry, my steam heat. It's like super hot in here as well. But this is a 1 ounce container, and the 5.1 ounces goes for $30. So you can enter Allure 10 at checkout to receive 10% off full size shea butter hand cream in store and online. Again, not sure how the online code would work, but it goes until January 31st, 2023. So I have tried this in the past and I have liked it pretty well. I don't think it is very greasy, so I do agree with that. It's just like not my favorite one. Sometimes it does irritate my hands, but I think that's a personal allergy, because when I was making my spoiler video, I realized that this has sweet almond oil in it and coconut oil, I believe. So let me check. The fact check told me that I was incorrect. It only has coconut oil in it, and I am somewhat sensitive to both coconut oil and sweet almond oil, so I don't know. Sometimes it makes my hands irritated, but a lot of times it doesn't. So I will definitely be using this because I also like to use it on my legs, but it is a pretty decent, solid sort of hand cream as well. And when I was shopping around in Sephora, so this older woman that looked kind of like fancy, like she knew how to save her money as well, like thrifty fancy, you know, like she knows where to spend her money as well. She told me to look out for the Trader Joe's hand creams at Christmas time because they have the Christmas sets, and she said it's basically a dupe for this. So if you want to trust that old lady at Columbus Circle Sephora, she has your back. So if you don't get it this month in the box, check out your Trader Joe's. The final item in the box is this one. So this is from Nature Lab Tokyo, and this is the Repair Treatment Mask. And let's see here. It's a lightweight mint green cream. It spreads easily through hair and instantly makes it feel softer and easy to detangle. Treats from scalp to ends with hair strengthening keratin and bamboo extract with moisturizing argan oil. Run a dollop through freshly shampooed hair in the shower. Rinse after 3 minutes to get hair that's less frizzy. And it has a $17 value for 6.7 ounces. And this one here is 1 fluid ounce. And you can buy it at naturelab.com with our coupon code for 2020 Allure at checkout to receive 20% off, and that's valid through December 30th, 2022. If you don't have or don't want to buy it online, I have seen this brand at Ulta. So if you have status or whatever there, you might get a better deal. So this is what it looks like on the inside. I have liked this brand just because it is very affordable. So if I did want to buy it, let's say at Sephora, or not Sephora, at Ulta, I could definitely do it. So let me open it to just give it a sniff test, because I remember liking most of the scents. Okay, this one smells like a hand cream. So I don't know necessarily if this is my favorite one. It smells very green. I don't know how to describe it. It smells like cucumber melon, kind of. Something fresh and cool and refreshing. So I mean, I'm definitely going to use this. I have been using a different one that I got in a subscription box, the Sol de Janeiro one, the hair treatment. That one was actually really good. So my hair is like way too long for me. I don't know if you can even see how long it is. So my hair is like getting caught in everything, like zippers, you know. I'm like not very, I don't pay attention to where my hair is. Let's just say that. So I've been definitely needing to use it because the ends are looking a little bit ragged. I'm getting my hair cut next week, so happy for that. But yeah, so anyway, that was the box this month. Honestly, I think it was a pretty decent box. There's only 1.5 items I'm not going to use. By 1.5, I mean, I'm going to likely either use this for a display item, or else I'm going to find somebody who would like it. And then the Lurtsy one here is, I'm going to try it out, but I don't know necessarily if it's going to be my favorite. It didn't look like it's totally my color either, so we'll see about that. But everything else seemed pretty solid. So let me know below what you got in your box. Let me know if you're interested in the BoxyCharm versus Allure, because I'm going to film that right after this. And yeah, thank you again for watching, and follow me over on Instagram at eat/explore. Also consider subscribing, putting the bell icon, etc. If you're interested in spoilers for subscription boxes, subscription box unboxings, PR unboxings, and also vlogs. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.